You alright?
No. You alright?
Scott's going to balance on the board as long as he can. You actually hit me. What are you going to do?
I'm going to try and slide on that and run up to it. Right?
Yeah. That's close to me from hitting me. Right.
Right, what are you going to be doing?
I'm going to skid just before the edge of the trampoline.
Oh.
Ready?
Okay, yeah. What happened then?
Front wheel got caught.